Hello YouTube viewers, and thank you for joining us for this week's adventure on 14er Finisher YouTube channel. Today, Steve and Laura are going to tackle Stony Pass 4x4 road in our 2010 stock Jeep Wrangler. This pass goes above 12,500 feet, and it's about 5.5 miles of four-wheeling to get up to the summit of the pass. From the summit of Stony Pass 4x4 road, if you want to get out and stretch your legs, you have the option to do a 500-foot ascent, a little bit of Class 3 scrambling up nearby Green Mountain. This pass has a vehicle difficulty rating of easy and will not go above easy unless you descend Stony Pass and continue to Kite Lake. From the outskirts of Silverton, continue and swing a right on San Juan County Road 2. Follow this road to the site of Howardsville. At Howardsville, you will see this sign leading you towards Stony Pass. We camped at one of several hidden gems that I have in the San Juans off the 4x4 roads. That night, the San Juan night sky was spectacular.
Good morning. So we barely survived last night. No, I'm just kidding. But it was super cold. It was a cold night for sure. It is definitely autumn in the Rockies.
Yes.
Yeah, autumn in the Rockies. This is the Stony Pass 4x4 road turnoff. It is well signed and not too hard to find.
So in some places, this 4x4 road can be a little bit exposed and narrow. But aside from that, there aren't really any major difficulties on the road or on the tire tracks itself. There's a few tight switchbacks, nothing that should require backing out. And it can be completed in pretty much almost any stock SUV. I've even seen some Subaru Outbacks get up to the top of this pass.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So we just four-wheeled up Stony Pass outside of Silverton, Colorado, and now we're beginning the hike up Green Mountain. This is a 13er that gives some amazing views of the peaks around Silverton, as well as the Weminuche Wilderness. Laura was a little sketched out when she saw the terrain. This isn't the first time, and she's persevered and summited, so we're gonna go for it.
That's right.
Hopefully she doesn't kill me for it later.
So as we head up Green Mountain, we reach the beginning of some like borderline class 3 scrambling. Laura decides she's gonna hang back, and I go to scamper up to the summit, and it's like you never know when you can slip or fall. Gotta stay dialed in up here.
Okay, it's a little slip.
This is why I like to hike with Merrell climbing and hiking boot with Vibram soles and high ankle support, because on these tailless boulders and rocks, they're so loose, and a slip like that can happen really easily. I had great footwear on, and thanks to Merrell, I wasn't injured.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I made it to Green Mountain Summit. Laura wasn't really feeling the class 3 or whatever you want to call it, so I scampered up here real quick. She's waiting down below for me. I did hear some coyotes out in the basin, so I want to get back to Laura sooner than later. But damn, this is an epic moment, guys. San Juan Mountains of Colorado. There is nowhere I would rather be. I love these mountains. I'm going to be coming out here every year for the rest of my life.
So on the descent, I reunited with Laura. We had a short jaunt back down to Stony Pass, and we got in the Jeep, and we four-wheeled out of there into Silverton, Colorado, to get a bite to eat. You can see a lot of our Google reviews on 14er Finisher, where we rate local establishments on our adventures. We want to thank you guys for tuning in to this week's adventure, and we hope that you enjoyed the footage. please drop us any comments that you want to leave, and we'll get back to you if you have any questions about the pass, etc. Thank you for subscribing, and if you enjoyed the content, please click that like button. Thank you so much, guys, and happy trails. Be safe out there.